Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about law of segregation. So, Gregor Mendel proposed three laws: law of dominance, law of segregation, law of independent assortment. In the previous video, we have learned about law of dominance, and in this particular video, we are going to learn law of segregation. So, Gregor Mendel Gregor Mendel proposed law of segregation in the year 1865. The law states that the parent contained two alleles during gamete formation. The allele and a factor of a pair segregate from each other such that one gamete receives only one of the allele. Okay, we will understand this statement through examples. So, Here I have here I have taken an example. This is a parent generation. We have capital T, small t. Capital T represents tall plants and small t represents dwarf plants. This is our parent, right? It has two alleles. One is capital T and the other one is small t. But when the gamete is forming, during gametogenesis, what is gametogenesis? Gameto means gamete, genesis means formation. Formation of gametes is called as gametogenesis. So during gametogenesis, what happens? If pairs segregate from each other, they are going to segregate, they are going to separate it or distribute it from each other such that one gamete, this is the single gamete. There are two gametes here. This is one gamete and this is the another gamete. So such that the one gamete receive only one allele. That is, here this gamete has received capital T and this gamete has received small t. Similarly, in this case, it has received capital T and capital T. There are two gametes. One has received capital T and the other one is capital T. In this case, there are two alleles, that is small t, and the gametes are one has received small t and the other one has also received small t. Okay, this is how the segregation takes place. तो हमारे पास पेरेंटल जनरेशन है जो कि है कैपिटल टी स्मॉल टी, जिसके पास दो अलाइल्स हैं. वन इज कैपिटल टी, एक और स्मॉल टी. तो जब गैमेट फॉर्मेशन होंगे तब कैपिटल टी एक के पास जाएगा और स्मॉल टी एक और के पास जाएगा. ठीक है, एक जगह जाएगा कैपिटल टी, एक जगह जाएगा स्मॉल टी. रैंडम डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन होगा, बट दे आर गोइंग टू सेग्रीगेट, दे आर गोइंग टू सेपरेट इट. So this is what the law of segregation says. Okay, इसे और थोड़ा अच्छे से समझते हैं with a good example. So here is the example. Tall plant crosses with a dwarf plant, capital T crosses with the small t. Here the segregation happens, that is capital T, we have capital T. This will going to segregate as during gamete formation. This will give capital T and the capital T. One gamete is of capital T and the other gamete is also of capital T. In the case of sorry for this. In the case of small t, this will going to be one gamete will get small t and the other gamete will get small t. This is how the segregation takes place. Okay, so in the F1 generation, we get all the tall plants because of the dominance. If anyone don't know about law of dominance, do watch my previous video. I'll provide you the link in the description and also on the I button. So So we get all the tall plants in F1 generation. Now the capital T small t is going to be self-crossed. That will go here. The segregation is okay. Here the segregation will going to be happen as during gamete formation. The gamete will be one gamete will get capital T and the other gamete will get small t. Similarly for this capital T small t, the one gamete we get capital T and the other gamete we get small t. This is how the segregation will takes place. Hope it is crystal clear now. So in F2 generation we get capital T, capital T, capital T, small t, capital T, small t, small t, small t. That is, three will be tall plant and one will going to be a dwarf plant. The phenotypic ratio of 3 is to 1 and the genotypic ratio of 1 is to 2 is to 1. Hope it is clear to you. If you have any doubt, do let me know in the comment section. See you in the next video. All the best.